Let's take it easy, each and everyone. Welcome to our special set. This is only from Selena. Remember that? First I was afraid I was petrified. Good thing I can never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how I did wrong, and I grew strong. And I learned how to get along. I saw your bed from outer space. I just walked in to find you here. Couldn't see the look on my face. Should have changed this to the look. I should have made you live a key. I know for just 1 second you'd be back to put me down. Now go, what kind of dog? Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. But you don't want to try to never get back. Neither come back. I think I'll lay down and die. You know that I was away. Oh, as long as I had the love, I know it's that I've got all my life to live. I've got all my life to give, and I survive. I will survive. Hey, hey. Come on. Won't you take me to Funky Town? 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 Shake it. Come on. Selena Melody. Let's chase for love. This is my last days for romance tonight. Oh, I need you by me, beside me, to guide me, to hold me, to scold me. That's why I'm mad. I'm so mad. So let's stay, my last chance, so let's stay, my last chance, so let's stay, my last chance tonight. Last chance for love. This is my last days for romance tonight. To guide me, to hold me, let's call me. That's why I'm mad. I'm so mad. So let's stay, my last chance, so let's stay, my last chance,